Good afternoon, first grade. We are going to do a math lesson today. This math lesson focuses on combinations to 10 using the number rack. So we have seen the number rack before, and now we're going to be making 10, doing some adding and subtracting. First, we're going to play a game. This game is called I Have, You Need. So this one says I push 6 beads over on the top row right here. How many more do you need to make 10? So we can use a counting on strategy to figure that out. So you start with 6 and count on until you get 4 more. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, and that would be 4. So 6 plus 4 equals 10. Let's do another one. If you have 4, how many do you need to make 10? You have 4. You can count on to get to 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and that makes 10. So if you have 4, you need 6 more to make 10. What if you have 5? How many more do you need to get to 10? Use that counting on strategy. So you're at 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. How many did you count on? 5. Great job. Let's remove this to check. And if we counted all of these together, it would make 10. What if I have 7? How many more do you need to make 10? Here's 7 beads here. How many more do you need to make 10? 3. Great job. I have 3. How many more do you need to make 10? 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. I counted up 7 until I got to 10, and I was right. 7 more to make 10. If you have 8, how many more do you need to make 10? I have 8, 9, 10. I counted up 2 more to make 10. What if you only have 2? How many more do you need to make 10? I have 2, and I can count up till I get to 10. You're right, that would be 8. Good job. A couple more. I have 9. How many more do you need to make 10? That one's easy. Just 1 more. And last one, if you only have 1, how many do you need to make 10? It's just the opposite of the last one here, so you need 9. These are all the combinations we just made to get to 10. 6 and 4, 4 and 6, 5 and 5, 7 and 3, 3 and 7, 8 and 2, 2 and 8, 9 and 1, and 1 and 9. What do you notice about these combinations? Think about it, and what do you notice? Yeah, I notice that most of these combinations are opposites of each other, like 9 and 1 and 1 and 9. Both of those combinations make 10. So let's do something else. How can we make 10? We can count the numbers on the top row, like you see here, count the beads on the bottom row, and then count them up all together. So there's 9 on the top row, 1 on the bottom row, count them all together, and that makes 10. Let's do some together. So go ahead and count the top row. And there's 8 beads on top. Count the bottom row. There's 2 beads on bottom. Count them all up together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So my answer is 10, and my equation sounds like this. 8 plus 2 equals 10. Let's do another one. We're counting the top. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Counting the bottom. 1, 2, 3. Counting them all together, 7, 8, 9, 10. Good job. Let's do another. We're counting the top, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Counting the bottom, 1, 2, 3, 4. And counting them all together to make 10. So 6 plus 4 equals 10. Let's count the top. Did you get 5? Me too. Count the bottom. 5 again. 5 plus 5 equals 10. You got it. We're counting the top. 1, 2, 3, 4. And the bottom. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. To give 10. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Count them all together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So my equation is 3 plus 7 equals 10. Count the top. Count the bottom. And what does that add together? Count them all. 10. Great job. What's your equation sound like? 2 plus 8 equals 10. Let's do another one. Count the top. I just see 1. Count the bottom. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Add that together. Gives me 10. Oops, 10. 0 on the top, so I will just type 0 here. And how many does that give me on the bottom? I see 5 red, 5 white. I know 5 plus 5 is 10. So 0 plus 10 just equals 10. So let's look at these combinations. These are all the addition problems we just made. 9 plus 1, 8 plus 2, 2 plus 8. What do you notice about these? Take a minute and look at them. Yeah, I notice they all equal 10. What else? Just like the last one, some of the equations are opposite of each other. So let's look, 9 plus 1 and 1 plus 9. Those are different equations, but they both equal 10. They just have the numbers flipped. So when we're adding, it doesn't matter which number comes on top or bottom. It'll still have the same answer. 8 plus 2 equals 10, and 2 plus 8 equals 10. Good job. Go ahead and go to your assignment for the day, and it will review these same skills, adding with the number rack, adding the top and the bottom to get an answer.